Welcome to 2 minutes series of mathematics for O level. This series is designed for Cambridge students. As you know, we do smart work. So let's begin. The topic we have today is inverse proportions. This is our second lecture on inverse proportions to solve exercise 1D. We have in inverse proportions y is inversely proportional to x. We get y equal to k over x or x multiplied by y equal to k. Exercise 1D, question number 1. X is inversely proportional to y cube, then x equal to k over y cube. We put x equal to 50 and y equal to 2. The values are given. We calculate the value of k. It is k equal to 400. We put in equation number 1 and we get equation number 2, x equal to 400 over y cube. For first part, we put y equal to 4 in equation 2 and we get a value of x with the help of calculator, x equal to 6.25, and part 2 is the equation x equal to 400 over y cube. Part 3 is we put x equal to 3.2 in equation number 2. 3.2 equal to 400 over y cube. We get y cube equal to 400 over 3.2, y cube equal to 125, y cube equal to 5 cube. The bases are equal, so power is also equal, y equal to 5. Question number 5. Q square is inversely proportional to p plus 3. Then we have q square equal to k over p plus 3. Equation number 1. We put q equal to 5 and p equal to 2. We get the value of k, that is 125. We put in equation number 1 and we get equation number 2. Q square equal to 125 over p plus 3. Now we put p equal to 17 in equation number 2. We get q square equal to 125 over 17 plus 3. That is equal to 125 over 20. And we have q equal to under root of 25 over 4. Now q equal to 5 by 2. Then q is equal to 2.5. Now question number 8. H is inversely proportional to q square. For cone, r is the radius and h is the height. The volume of the cone V equal to 1 by 3 pi r square into h. Volume of all cones is the same. For cone A, r equal to 6, h equal to 5. We calculate the volume of cone A. R is 6, h is 5. Volume of A equal to 1 over 3 pi 6 square into 5 equal to 60 pi. For part 1, volume of cone B, where r is 3 and h is unknown. We calculate volume of cone B, 1 over 3 pi 3 square into h equal to 3 pi h. We equate the two volumes of cone B and the volume of cone A, that 3 pi h equal to 60 pi, which gives us h equal to 20 centimeter. For cone C, r is unknown and h equal to 1.25. Volume of cone C is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square into 1.25. We get 5 by 3 pi r square. Now we compare the volume of cone A and volume of cone C. 5 by 3 pi r square equal to 60 pi. We get r square equal to 60. Multiply by 3 by 5. We get r equal to under root 144, r equal to 12 centimeter. Question number 10. Y is inversely proportional to x square. Then y equal to k over x square. We have k equal to y x square. We put y equal to b for x equal to a. We get k equal to b a square. Put in equation number 1 and we get equation number 2, y equal to b a square over x square. Now we put x equal to 3. It is the 3 times value of x. The x equal to 3a. Then we get y equal to b a square over 3a whole square. We get y equal to b a square over 9a square, which gives us y equal to b over 9. That's it for today. Before going, subscribe my channel for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.